TV so you can hear what's going on.
Okay.
So this is the on and off button.
Okay.
This one control the lights and the drapes.
Okay.
So when I push this down button here, I think gonna come straight down.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna stop it.
Okay.
These four buttons are the lights.
Okay.
You have the shower light.
Okay.
You have the glass light here. You have the overhead lights. I have the toilet light.
Okay.
Alright. You also have hair dryer.
Okay.
Oh, you have stool for the lady.
Okay.
For makeup and stuff. And a scale. No one want to see the scale.
Okay.
This is your Breathless box. That's where we put the food in for room service.
Okay.
Alright, this is the off button when you're going out. It shuts off all the lights.
Okay.
Alright. This one is your temperature control.
Okay.
It has the fan. Going to turn on the fan.
Okay.
Do not disturb. Once you push this button, a light gonna shine outside means
Do not disturb.
yeah.
Okay.
Clean your room, same thing. Light gonna shine outside as well.
Okay.
These two buttons are, well, to adjust the temperature if you want it down or up.
Okay.
And you can change it to Fahrenheit. As well.
Okay.
Alright. This one is for the lights inside here and the drapes. Close the drapes so I can explain
Yeah.
everything.
They wasn't working good. You only have to press it one time?
You have to hold it for 3 seconds.
3 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so this is the off light. This one turn on everything in the house.
Okay.
The middle one is the cocktail light.
Okay.
You know, to give you that cocktail second. Right? A heart represent sexy time.
Okay. That's beautiful.
And also have a tablet for your room.
Okay.
Let me show you something. Alright, so each time I press the sexy light there,
Mm-hmm.
a picture gonna show in the background. It's like the guy over here kissing the woman's neck.
Oh,
Do you see
wow.
that?
I do. Yeah, he over there and she right there.
Yeah. Also, your tablet. On your tablet, it has the hourglass, which has the daily activities. Alright. Spa. You can book spa online. Room control. Instead of going up there, you can do everything on your tablet.
Okay.
So your tablet control the air, the room lights, the outside light, the bathroom light, the curtains, and the scenes. The scenes is to change the colors in the background.
Okay.
So first scenes, colors.
Oh, wow.
Can change it into different colors.
Oh, my goodness. Okay.
Alright. Let me turn on back the lights. Alright, curtain time. So, I'm gonna hold this button for
Okay.
a second.
3 seconds.
Yeah.
And then
You have
let it go.
options you have options as well. You can use the tablet and do it, but you have to hold it for 3 seconds, and it will.
That's awesome.
Oh, on it has room service.
Mm-hmm.
It has a menu as well, so you can browse through that. All right.
Okay.
You also can Bluetooth your phone to the Bose and play your own music.
Okay.
All right. Let me show you. All right. You're gonna press the Bluetooth button
Okay.
2 times to the Bose.
Okay.
Blue light gonna shine here, and then you can pair it. You can
Oh,
pair your
wow.
phone. All right.
Okay.
Save. You punch in any 4 numbers,
Okay.
press the pound key, and your 4 digits will save.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Your mini bar is all included. We stock it daily, and you can drink anything you want.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Well, this is your reading light. Although you don't come to read,
Nah.
come to have fun, right?
Right.
And that's the
Oh
reading
wow.
light there.
Okay. Okay.
And your big jacuzzi tub outside, and your
Wow.
view.
Yes.
You like it?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
I think that's it.